Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of deactivate account on Google Maps. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can search about Google Maps and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.